Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. We continue unboxing the kits, Diamond Dotz kits, that I purchased in Michael's a week ago. In my video 190, we unboxed a Thomas Kincaid's design Diamond Dotz kit, cobblestone bridge, and unfortunately it looked way too pixelated in my opinion. So we are going to unbox another kit, also Thomas Kincaid's design, Beacon of Hope from Diamond Dotz. It is a full round square drill diamond painting. The size is the same as the previous kit had, 40 by 50 centimeters or 20 by 16 inches, which is again is pretty small for the landscape, but let's hope that this design will be a little bit more detailed since there are not that many objects in comparison with the previous one. Forgot to mention, the original price of the kit was $42. I purchased it on sale for $25. So this is the canvas. Yes, thank God it looks way less pixelated than the previous one. Maybe because there were just few big objects. In the previous one, there were like 4 or 5 houses, a bridge, a lot of trees, some birds. So here it's more or less not that filled in. This is the kit. Although, again, I would think that if the kit was 60 by 40 centimeters, a little bit bigger, just 10 centimeters bigger, it would look better than 50 by 40. But as some of you mentioned in my previous video, people do like small diamond paintings, and 50 by 40 centimeters is pretty small. They wouldn't go in for buying bigger kits because it's more time consuming and you need to have more space to hang them somewhere in your place. So I guess this is one of the reasons why Diamond Dotz prefers making kits with this design and with this size, in this size 50 by 40 centimeters. But yeah, hopefully this one will look more detailed than the previous one. I think that this one will turn okay. It will turn out to be okay. The canvas quality, as always, fabric woven polyester, great clarity symbols. The kit contains 33 diamonds, 33 colors. Again, this year, I'm not sure if it is in all the kits, but again, this extension here of the picture, the extension of the design, they are making it on almost on all of their kits. I mean, I diamond painted like how many? 3 recently, and all of them had these extensions. Not diamond, I diamond painted one, and I opened the third one, and it has an extension, Thomas Kincaid's. Beautiful, beautiful image, Beacon of Hope. Now, let's look at the drills. At this point, I kind of regret I bought the previous one, Cobblestone Bridge. The resolution is not as great. I should have bought just this one, and that's it. Now, the drills. You know what I noticed about Thomas Kincaid's edition? When it comes to Diamond Dotz kits, there are no AB diamonds. These kits come with resin drills only. Yes, they're beautiful, great quality, the variety of colors, but they do not include AB diamonds. I have no idea why. I might replace some with AB diamonds, but I'm not 100% sure. These are the diamonds. They're not bright, very natural. Actually, again, in these diamond paintings, in this edition, Thomas Kincaid's edition of the kits, the colors are very natural. No ABs, very bright. Maybe this is the point, to make the diamond paintings look very natural. The selection of colors is very close to original Thomas Kincaid's designs. They are not very bright. Here are the drills. I wish maybe I will replace this with ABs. I don't know yet. But pretty. I wish that this color, I think it's called Green Wave or something. It's a very beautiful color. I wish that one was in AB diamonds. It would look so good. I guess it goes on the ocean. Even the white, there are no white ones, but with white ones, with white ABs, it would look beautiful. Yeah, there are not even white ones. I guess these ones are going for the sea, and this Green Wave. Yeah, if the Green Wave was made of AB diamonds, it would be so beautiful, and AB diamonds would fit the design of water. It would create the effect of them being wet, just like water. So this is it. Again, if someone is debating on whether to purchase this kit or not, just look at how the canvas looks, how the pattern looks, whether you like it or not, if it looks too pixelated for you or not. For me, it looks okay. It could have been better, again, if the size was a little bit bigger, at least 10 centimeters, but still, it's fine. I like it. As to the previous one, I wouldn't recommend you buying it. Way too pixelated, unless, again, you do not go for bigger kits than 50 by 40 centimeters. But if you are like me, you prefer bigger kits, no, that one would not look good. This one will look good. The other one will not. So this is it for today. I will try to upload a video of my finished diamond paintings for the year of 2020 on Thursday. I'm off on Thursday, apparently. I have one more day of vacation left. I didn't see it. So I will try to upload it, and if I do not receive the kits that I expect from AliExpress since October, tin me arse, the customer service sucks, sorry. If I do not receive it, it would be my last video in this year. If I receive it, I will also upload an unboxing video of those two kits because they're so gorgeous. And they're also the same size, 50 by 40 centimeters. And I want to see if they look pixelated or not. But again, on Thursday, if nothing happens, expect the video review of all my completed diamond paintings of 2020, and it will be kind of long, almost 25 minutes, but I didn't expect that I completed so many projects. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.